Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to share a web page as a PDF directly from your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get right to it. First things first, open up your web browser of choice, Safari, Chrome, whatever you like. Now, navigate to the website you want to save as a PDF. Got it? Great. Next, look for the Share button. It's usually at the bottom of the screen, looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. Tap that Share button. This will bring up the share sheet. Now, here's the key part. We need to force the format to PDF. Look for the Options button underneath the website name in the share sheet. Tap on Options. A little menu will pop up, and you'll see format choices. Select PDF. Then tap Done. Okay, now we're ready to actually share it. You can choose from the list of applications to send it, email, messaging apps, whatever you prefer. Or you can select a contact directly from the top if you want to send it quickly. In this example, I'm going to choose a messages contact. As you can see, the website is now packaged nicely into a PDF file, ready to be sent. Just tap the Send button, and boom! The PDF file has been sent. When the recipient opens it, they'll see the web page perfectly formatted as a PDF. And that's all there is to it. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.